Hey guys, let's do home facials ourselves. This is also called derma planning. It's called facials. It's called extraction. It's let me say in a layman term, it could be called shaving of the face. But instead of just shaving the face, we'll be doing like an extended facials, if that makes sense. First thing you need to do is you need to have hand sanitizer and alcohol. Now I'll be using ethanol. If you don't have ethanol, you can use isopropyl alcohol. You can use Moco, what's it called, any disinfectant. As a matter of fact, you can use Dettol if that is what you have. If you have Moco spirit or any spirit, you can use it. So now hand sanitizer, you need to sanitize your hands first because you'll be touching your face. Now, like I said, if you don't have hand sanitizer, at the same time, you can use Dettol water to wash your hand and Dettol soap. So what you want to do is use Dettol soap to wash your hands. Then in your water you put the Dettol disinfectant, right? Put it in your water. Then you use it to rinse your hands and pat dry with a clean towel. Speaking of clean towel, I have this towel. It's long, so I cut it into 3 because I'll be using it like so. If I use this, then I'll wash it. Then use another one instead of using one face towel. Now, if you're doing this, right, you want to stay off your face. You don't want to keep touching your face after you might have done your facials for like a whole 24 hours, which is to next day. Don't wash your face, don't do nothing with your face to the next day. Even if you want to take your bath at night, what you just have to do is just do this from neck to down, if that makes sense. So better to take your bath just that morning, right? So now for the hand sanitizer, for the spirits or alcohol that you're using, this is to like sterilize your whole work area because your stuff might fall down, if that makes sense. So moving on, you'll be needing aloe vera gel. So I just poured it here. Any aloe vera gel is good. It could be the normal aloe vera plant. Remove it, scoop out the gel in it, blend it, then you have your aloe vera gel. This is what it looks like. This is it here. So now this is what we'll be using. Also guys, this is important if you want to do your facials. You don't want to take your brush and dip it into the whole bottle of the aloe vera, rub it on your face, then dip it again, because that way you contaminate the aloe vera gel. Rather, what you want to do is take a small bowl. It could be a bowl like this, or better still the cover. Take the amount that you know that you can finish. Do not pour back the remnants in it. If you know that you can't finish it, then trash it, wash it off, and spray it with your alcohol before covering it back, if that makes sense. Also, you'll be needing wipes. You can use facial wipes that contains aloe vera gel and vitamin E, or just vitamin E, or just aloe vera gel. I personally, I don't like facial wipes because I feel like it irritates my skin if it works for you, oh well, but it doesn't work for me. So I prefer to use this baby wipes, and this contains aloe vera gel. Although it contains aloe vera gel only, there's no vitamin E here. So first thing first, after washing my face, but I already went out, I used my sunscreen. So of course I need to clean it or wipe it. Even if you did not go out, you still need to wipe this off with your face. The reason why I said you need towel is when you wash your face, then you use towel to clean it. Washing of your face, you can use your Dettol soap to wash your face. You can use your face soap, your brightening face soap. At the same time, you can use any soap that contains aloe vera and vitamin E, or you use a mild soap that contains nothing, that doesn't have any ingredients like Dove or Olay, all of those, or brightening soap, any soap that you're using basically. So after that, they use this to pat dry it. Now you can see my face is dry, but a little bit tacky, right? So moving on, our brush, spray it with your alcohol, so that this way you know that this brush is good to go to your face. Like I said, if you don't have alcohol, just go ahead to spray it with you take any wipes, right? Just go ahead to spray it with your Dettol water. Pour it in a spray bottle, then spray it, or just dip it like this in the Dettol water, then the parts dry. It's as simple as that. Now we'll be taking an aloe vera gel. I know for a fact that I can't finish this aloe vera gel, so I'll have to scoop in little that I can finish at the back of my hands. so that there's no need for me to use this brush. There's no need for me to put this brush here. So you can see I didn't even finish this. So now for shaving of the face, if you have blades, you can use blade. You just have to be careful, but this is what we'll be using today. Also sterilize it both sides, and because this is spirit, it dries easily. So now what you want to do is you want to try as much as possible to drag your face before shaving. Now while shaving is, you want to shave downwards. If you notice that where you are shaving is dry, go back with your aloe vera gel. I feel like my face is not really dirty, maybe because I just did facials about a week ago. So now I'll use this opportunity to shape my eyebrows. Unfortunately, I thought I won't be able to finish that variety that I used, but fortunately for me, I finished it, and I used about a spoon, like a normal full spoon of it. So you might want to use half a spoon first before proceeding to half, or just take one spoon and put it in somewhere, or the back of your hands, just like I did. Now you need to make sure you dehydrate your skin very well. You need to drink lots of water. So like I said, I'm using this opportunity for my brows. I think I have a video on how to shape brows on my channel. If I don't, please leave it in the comment section if you want to see how I shape my eyebrows. Now guys, this is what we look like, and this is everything I removed from my face. I feel like my face is still even neat compared to other people's face that I've seen, but I mean, see something. So anyways, to proceed, take a new wipes, then clean off your face, clean off all those aloe vera gel. So if you know you will still be using this not to spray it, please don't manage your spray. Please don't manage it. So now you let it dry. It takes about a minute or two to dry. After it dry, then you cover it back. This put it in a safe place as well. So I'll drop it to a dry while I'll proceed to the next thing. By the time I'm done, this will be dry, then I'll pack it up. Now moving on, we'll be using this vitamin C face mask. You want to use these parts, the parts that looks like wipes. Hi guys, welcome back. So I actually left this to eat and do other things that I have to do, and this has been sitting on my face for close to 25-30 minutes. I'm not so sure. So now it's all dried, and as you can see, wow, this is nice. This is nice. And despite that I clean my face first, I don't know if you guys can see, there's still some hairs there, and so yeah, now you can go. Oh wow, okay, wow. So anyway, so like I said, this is vitamin C and it has a lot of moisture in it, and the consistency feels like light aloe vera gel, right? So now after this, if you decide to clean your face, all well and good. If not, just squeeze out the moisture in this and apply it all over your face. Also, if you have vitamin C face serum, it works perfectly well, but let's use this, and if it's not much, then I'll use my things. So this is it. Then I'll go about my day. Like I said earlier, you can decide to use your vitamin C face serum. I mean, any brand that you have is okay. And remember, if you are going out, use your sunscreen. when going out. But left to me, I feel like if you're doing this, just stay at home for that day. So you want to do it, maybe you're always at home on Sundays, or when you're back from school, or salatu, or church rather, right? Or when you're back from church or mosque, right? Then you just stay at home without going out throughout that day, because you don't want your face to be exposed to the sun again. Remember, we just shaved, and obviously after shaving, anything that touches the face will literally penetrate in it, if that makes sense. So also another thing is, if you have dark spots, I personally use Steady Beauty Empire SAP BSC. This is a facial repair cream, and this is the big size. There's a small size, I think it's about 3.5. This is the big size, and this is 7,000. You get like 4 of that small one in this. Also, if you don't have this, or if you can, I'll leave the handle to their Instagram handle, so that you chat them up and get yourself. If you don't have this works super well. It works perfectly well. I just started using it, and you can see. So if you don't have it, you can get Carotone BSC. It works as well, but mind you, you want to use that at night or when you're indoor, because so just put it on your spot. You can do it now, and you can let this dry. Right, like I said, don't wash off your face throughout throughout that day. Sorry. Another thing you can do is use this eye pro gel. This is new, as you can see. I'm not using it because I have this, but you can use this. But this contains chlorphasphor 0.05%. So you want to use this at night only. Don't use this morning, and you want to use this for just a week or 2 weeks, max 2 weeks. Don't exceed that 2 weeks. As a while you use it for 1 month. After that 1 month, stop it till next 6 months again before you can use it, because of the chlorphasphor in it. But like I said, you can just, left to me, I prefer buying this. Just use Steady Beauty Empire product. It works super well. So you just put dots. Now this is a cut, so of course you can put it there. Then all these spots, put it there as well. Now is the best time for your skincare to work. Your face care packages or products to work, because you already shaved. It's just like you scrubbed before applying something. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyways, guys, like I said, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course don't forget to turn on the bell notification, so that way you get to be notified each time I drop new videos. Thank you very much for sticking with me. God bless you. Bye.